हायटेक कप ऑल गोवा सिनियर डिव्हिजन व्हॉलीबॉल लीग शेनवारा राती सुरू जाली। पहिल्या मॅचीत वाळपय युनायटेडान बाकार्डी बॉयज दाबाळाक जाल्यार दुसऱ्या मॅचीत फ्रेंड्स असोसिएशन माड्डोळा बी टीमीन शिरोडा युथाक मारले। फोंड्या व्हॉलीबॉल कोर्टार सर्त चल्ल्या।
Volleyball Association. All right, here we go. Put your hands together for Madam Patty De Silva. Side out and a point to Dabal. Point to Dabal.
Very good shot.
24.
गोवा क्रिकेट संघटनेन सगळ्या तरेच्या व्यवहारात पारदर्शकता हाडपाचो निर्णय घेतला। अकाउंट रॅक दवरूंक 3 लेयर ऑडिटिंग व्यवस्था करतले। सगळे व्यवहार वेबसायटीचेर घालून वेबसायट एक्टिव्ह दवरतले म्हणून जीसीएचो अध्यक्ष सूरज लोटलीकारान जीसीएचे जनरल बॉडी मिटिंगे उपरांत मिडियाक सांगले। धारगळचो स्टेडियम स्वता बांदतले नाजाल्यार एखाद्या कंपनीक दिवपाचे जीसीएचे तकलेत खोळटा।
We had in the managing committee decided to have very transparent way of accounting. So we have managing committee we have decided to have 3 layered accounting system or auditing system. We have appointed in the general body a internal auditor by name Chirag Kekre and Associates. Today the rules of business which was approved in the managing committee, we have also sent it to general body for the reviews. So that also will come in force. So now GCA will be governing by rules of business and their constitution. Now these rules of business has been prepared on terms of Competition Commission of India and Central Vigilance Commission. We have decided, managing committee, let us have very active website. So what do you mean by active website? Everything will be posted on the website, including rules and regulation, business rules. Suppose now we buy a lot of sports goods and all tenders will be posted, the process followed in the tendering, the orders awarded, and then also all the payments made to various parties, like how BCCI does, all will be posted on the cricket website, our GCA website. So that will happen. All, who is the ombudsman, then committee, who are in charge of all our organization chart, everything will be posted, including the annual accounts, audited accounts, then recruitment rules, recruitment process, who is appointed, all. So you will able to see from this website. We will make this website very active. Also the directive of the BCCI and the action taken on this directive. So all those things will come on this website. So this cricket stadium will be a greenfield cricket stadium. Now we are looking for a 2 type of a model. One is build, operate and transfer, wherein some investor comes, builds it, and then he hands it over to us after a few years or whatever it works out, whatever that will be worked out by the agency which we appoint. Other is straight away build the stadium on our own. So that we will finalize in this day, and we will go full swing about after this stadium. Third thing, as far as cricket is concerned, we have planned to develop about 7 grounds.
तिळगुळ घ्या गोड गोड बोला। आयतारा मकर संक्रांत, लग्नाच्या पहिल्या वर्सात सुगडाची पूजा, उपरांत सवाशिणी दर वर्सा आपली वायणां दितात। रथसप्तम मेरेन हळदी कुकमाचो सीझन उरपाचो। कोण फणी, कोण हारसो, कोण नाल्ल जाल्यार कोण गोडशी वाडटात। त्या निमतान बायलांक गॅदरिंगाची मोठी संद।
मकर संक्रांति।
सेरावली बेताळ भाटी रस्त्यार एके डस्टर कारीन स्कूटरीक धपको दिलो। धपक्या उपरांत स्कूटरीर आशिल्ले उतोड्डाच्या कायतान आनी क्लिंटन रातोस हे बापूय पूत दोगूय शेतात उसळून पडले। दोगांकूय बरोच माल लागिल्ल्यान हॉस्पिटलांत एडमीट केला। ओव्हरटेक करतना ड्रायव्हराचो मोटारीवयलो कंट्रोल सुटिल्ल्यान एक्सिडेंट जालो। कोलवा पुलिसांनी पंचनामो केला। हे बुलेटिन हांगा सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सएप, ट्विटर, फेसबूक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात। प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करात। नमस्कार।